Hi, this is Tom Kontos, and welcome to our November Kontos Commentary. Once again, the top-line data on wholesale values was directionally indicative of a stronger market than what we're actually seeing when you drill down into the data. When you do that, you see signs of price softness in three broad areas. Number one, trucks versus cars. Trucks are bringing all the money in the lanes and online these days, whereas cars are having a tougher go, as we mentioned last month. Secondly, off-rental vehicles, though they showed strength in their prices in November, that strength is somewhat deceiving in that conversion rates, that is, the percent of vehicles that were actually sold, were hovering around 50%. So half the cars, roughly, weren't even sold in November that were offered. So the vehicles that did reach a threshold of price that manufacturers and rental car companies were comfortable with, those vehicles did sell, and that data got recorded in the data that we report. However, the vehicles that did not sell, of course, did not show up in our data. And I think that's indicative of softness, even for the off-rental vehicles, as they are coming back in greater numbers. So supply is pushing down their prices as well. And then the vehicles that we've had our eye on for quite some time now, the off-lease units, where we're seeing a lot of growth in supply. And that's basically in the sweet spot of 3-year-old models. Those showed both month-over-month and year-over-year price declines. On the retail demand side, things are still very strong, though November sales of used cars by franchise and independent dealers were down modestly compared to a very strong October. On a year-to-date basis, used car sales by franchise and independent dealers remain up. And then when you drill down specifically on the retail sales side into certified pre-owned units, you see that those vehicles are selling at a good clip as well. Again, sales were down a bit in November, but still up on a year-to-date basis. If you want more information, you can always find us on ADESA.com. And I want to take this opportunity also to thank you for listening and to have the very happiest of holiday seasons. Thank you.